Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will compare Surfshark VPN and NordVPN and see which one is the best one in the market right now. So for that we have set different parameters like the number of countries they are available in and the servers that are provided in that selected countries, and also the number of devices we get to access using one account. And also we will see which one provides the best security when it comes to saving our data and our device from external attacks. And at the last, we will compare the price of these two VPN and see which one is the cheapest one and gives us the best deal. So let's move on with our first parameter, which is the number of servers. So NordVPN provides us around 5,400 servers and it is available in 60 countries. So basically we get 5,400 servers from 60 countries. And as for Surfshark, you get around 3,400 servers and the number of country is 90. So basically we get 3,400 servers in 90 countries. So the number of servers is less in Surfshark, but the countries it is available in is quite more. So on NordVPN, all you have to do is just select the country of your choice and then click on the three dots, and you will be provided with different servers on that particular country, and then just connect to the server of your choice and you will be able to connect. And that's how easy it is to connect to any servers of your choice. Now let's move on to our another parameter, which is the number of devices we get to access using our one account. So on NordVPN, with one account you get to access 6 different devices. So basically you get security on 6 different devices. It can be your PC, your mobile device, your laptop, it can be anything. And as for the Surfshark, you get unlimited access to devices. Basically you get security for all your devices with just one account, and that's pretty cool, right? Now let's move on with our another parameter, which is the security. So on Surfshark you get security at different levels, and it includes ad blocker, malware blocker, and also it helps with cookies, all the data that different websites store. Basically that annoying cookie blocker we get from different websites when we visit them. So they try to store our data, but this app blocks them. So that's pretty good. And as for the NordVPN, we get really good features for security in NordVPN, which includes meshnet. It basically helps us connect our remote devices on an meshnet, and then we can access all these devices using an encrypted connection. And that is quite good, and it helps with our data and keeps our data safe. Now let's see one of these cool feature of dark web monitor. This monitor basically keeps an eye on the dark web and tells us whether our data has been leaked over there, and it works according to our email. And if they find anything related to our email being leaked on dark web, then we get the notification and all the information about it, and we can just take action accordingly. So which is really a good thing for security. But the best security feature that I like about NordVPN is the kill switch feature, which basically helps you delete all your data and all your traces which has been left on a different servers. So as soon as you disconnect from a server, your data and all your work that has been done using that particular server gets deleted using this feature. So this is really good, and it helps you save your data from phishing attacks and all of it. So this is really cool feature. Now let's move on to our another parameter, which is the price. So let's go on the website and see the deals. So on NordVPN, you are getting around 63% off on Black Friday deal, and also 3 months additionally under this deal. And now see Surfshark. And on Surfshark, it is around 84% off and 2 months extra. But let's see what the actual price is. Only then we will be able to see the actual discounts we are getting. So for the Surfshark, you get to pay around $2 a month if you subscribe to this 24-month plan and 2 months free. And for the NordVPN, you get to pay around $3.67 for a month and 3 months free. But this is for a 24-month plan. So basically you need to subscribe to a 24-month plan or 2-year plan to get subscription at these rates. And Surfshark comes to be at a cheaper rate with $2 as compared to NordVPN. But currently, as for me, I'm using NordVPN and it has been a great experience using NordVPN. So it's your call at the end of the day to choose the VPN of your choice. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.